Lately I've been using these clamps a lot and I want to buy more of them, but the problem is where and how to store them. So today I'm gonna show you what I came up with. Very inexpensive way. Scrap piece of MDF, bar handle from Menards, 36 inches long, $1.99, can beat the price. So let's see if we can make a storage for the clamps. Okay, let's mount this on the wall and give it a try. So it looks like it works amazing. $1.99 and about 2 minutes of my time. I can store about 25 of them, the 2-inch and 3-inch clamps, and they're super easy to put on and off one hand, fast, and they're completely released while they're stored, so putting no pressure on the springs should give me maximum life on them. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe.